To pair a Casambi LED receiver with a Casambi app, firstly download the app either from the App Store or Google Play and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Ensure that the receiver is correctly wired and has power to the circuit and the light is showing on the receiver. If it's a new device, it should automatically be in pairing mode, so if you launch the Casambi app, you can choose a nearby network or create a new network. A device has to be paired to a network, so if you haven't made one before, you need to create a new network. But if you're adding to an existing network, you can open up that network and add it to that one. Once this step has been done, you need to add the receiver by either tapping devices or the plus button depending on the app version. The unpaired receiver should appear with a generic name such as Luminaire, and you need to tap the device to add it to the network. Once this has been added, you can give the device a meaningful name and assign it to a group if desired, and that if you have multiple receivers. You can test by adjusting the brightness, colours or switching it on and off to make sure that the pairing has been successful and it's been added correctly. If the receiver doesn't appear, make sure you're within about 5 to 10 metres of the receiver, otherwise it won't be picked up. Also, if the receiver has already been paired to another Casambi network previously, it must be unpaired or reset from this before it can be added to a different network. To do this, at the power, whether you have a plug or straight from the mains, you need to turn the power off and back on in a quick succession and make sure that the light goes out before turning it back on. So if you turn it off, wait 1 to 2 seconds for the blue light to turn off on the receiver and quickly turn it back on. This will then reset and unpair that receiver and default factory set it to pairing enabled. It will then show as a pairing device on the app to pair to a new network.